Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In the modern life where the internet is so advanced, you may have collected a lot of videos on your computer and want to carry them with you to watch them anytime. Don't worry. I am going to show you 2 tips to transfer videos from PC to iPhone. The first method is to use Apple's Media Data Management, iTunes. To avoid the issue that iPhone not showing in iTunes, update your iTunes to the latest version before moving to the detailed steps. Open iTunes on your computer. Use a USB cord to connect your iPhone to your computer. Tap Trust on your iPhone to ensure the connection. To add the videos to your iTunes library, click File and then Add File to Library. A window pops up. Simply select the video files from your PC. Next, click on the phone icon. Choose Movies from the left sidebar. Keep the videos that you want to transfer to your iPhone checked. Then, tick the little box next to Sync Movies and hit Apply to let iTunes sync videos to your iPhone. There is one thing you need to be told: the newly synced videos will replace the existing videos on your iPhone. If you can't stand the loss of existing videos on your iPhone, a third-party tool named iPhone Data Transfer may be your best bet. Download it by visiting the website in the description below this video. Open it on your PC. You should see a window asking you to connect your device to manage data. Use a USB cord to connect your iPhone to the PC. Once connected, iPhone Data Transfer should show you the details about your iPhone. Then, click Videos button to load up all the video files on your iPhone. To open Select Files window, click on the plus button in the top of the window. Select the video file that you want and click Open to copy them to your iPhone. There's a quicker way in iPhone Data Transfer: drag and drop the video that you want to the program window. Congratulations, you can see the newly added videos on your iPhone. This is today's tutorial on how to transfer videos from PC to your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. For more tutorials, you can subscribe to us, or go to appgeeker.com. If there are other videos you'd like to see in the future, please leave a comment below and we'll add it to the list of videos to be created. See you next time.